COVID cases on the rise, so are rumors. Health officials are warning about social media posts that are making rounds throughout our community and across the country that they say are completely untrue. And KEZI 9 News anchor Matt Templeman kicks off our team coverage live in the studio and has more on this. Matt.
Yeah, China, social media is, of course, one of the main ways that people get their information these days, but this comes with some risks as well. And we sat down with Senior Public Health Officer Patrick Ludke to see how people can differentiate between what's true, what's not, and it all comes down to this. If it sounds fishy, it probably is not true. Lane County has administered more than 40,000 tests. They have also held several community testing events where people go free of charge and get tested right on the spot. But one specific rumor about these testing events is gaining traction. But Dr. Ludke says it couldn't be further from the truth. It says people have gone to one of the testing events and then decided not to get tested, but still received a positive test result in the mail. It's that last part that you should watch out for.
We call people because this is a communicable illness, and we're not going to wait for snail mail, so to speak. We're going to call them up and say your test is positive, and you need to know how to keep the rest of your family safe from this disease. So we're not going to do snail mail for a condition like this.
And he says you should always pay close attention to what you read. Do your vetting, and if you have a question, talk to your doctor or call public health and tell them about it. Now, it's important to remember that misinformation can be spread easily, so make sure you do your research and listen to the experts because they do know what's best. And coming up at 5 tonight, you will hear from a vet about what you need to do if you are infected with COVID-19 so that you don't give it to your pet. Reporting in the studio, Matt Templeman, KEZI 9 News.